Hi and welcome once again. Before you start editing your template, I wanted to show you on one example a few tips and tricks that will help you along the way and make the entire process as quick and as simple as possible. So I'm going to use this one template named Cooper Barnett, and I'm going to do it in Pages, but everything that I'm going to share with you here will be applicable to Word and Google Docs. So one thing, and the most important thing that I can share is basically the way how you can easily change the content while preserving the formatting. Because let's face it, the formatting is the reason why you purchased the template. So to do it in your template, and if you go section by section, this is what you will need to do to each line of the template. The easiest way to edit the content and preserve the formatting as it is to select the content you want to replace and just type over it. So as you can see, I have selected the first name and last name, and I will just type over it now. And then I would do the same here, and the same thing with contact details and so on. Now, for example, if I want to change this section, career summary, I have already, before starting to film this video, I have already copied content from a previous resume that I had, and I want to paste it here. So again, to preserve the formatting, what I'm going to do will be selecting this section and pressing Command V and pasting the content from my original resume. Now, what can happen if you don't do it this way? It can happen that the formatting won't look as in the template. So you can see here that if I just paste it in front of the placeholder text, that it will be a bit bigger. Don't worry if that happens. You can always copy the original formatting style to the style that looks different. The easiest way to do it in Pages is to select the style you want to copy by hovering over the content whose style you like or want to replicate, then press Option Command C, or here if you go to Format, you will have this option, Copy Style. Okay, I press the keyboard shortcut and then select the section that you want to update, and then press Option Command V. And it will apply the same formatting style, or again, if you go here, you can just press Paste Style. The same option can be done in Word. The only thing is that the keyboard shortcut is different. It's Control-Alt-C or Control-Alt-V if you're pasting the content. And that's about it. That's the most important piece of information. Apply the same thing throughout the template. So as you go here, select. I'm just now typing the same thing over and over because it's easier for me as I'm talking at the same time. Then, for example, here you would put ABC company. And then if you need to change this or make sure that it's aligned, just add dates and push it. It will need to be done manually with spaces, but push it until the last part of the date goes into the next line. If that happens, just go one backspace and you'll make sure that everything is neatly aligned. And final thing, let's say you want to, there are plenty of different things that you will find in the resume editing guide, but one final thing that might be handy at this stage is if you want to add more sections or if you need more space for your work history, you can just again copy the section you need, paste it here, and just edit the content, and new page will be created automatically as the content will spill to the second page, in this case when we have the one-page template. Everything else, all other tips and tricks, can be found in the resume editing guide, so make sure to check that out as well. Thank you and good luck, and let me know if you need any help.